How to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing? Open Instagram and make sure to sign in to your existing account. Then tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. On this section, you have to tap on Username at the top of the screen. Beside that, there is a small arrow, tap on it. And now tap on Add Instagram Account. Here you need to select Create New Account. And you have to choose the username which is different, and along with the different username you have to make sure that you have created new email account as well. So if you enter the new email address as well as the new username which is different from other one, then no one will know that you have created a new account. So that's how we easily create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.